let me jump in and show you the overview of PTV Hub. So I can go to our showcase that we have within HQ and Collegeville. So this is our showcase that we have here. You're greeted by a home page. So we call it the home page right there, home. And this has a way to access sales. So you can contact our sales representatives. You can submit support tickets from here. And you can even use these administrative tools. That's what I like to call the first column. You can set user management. So it's invite users. And we click on that really fast. These are the users that we have in our current subscription here at our headquarters. And these are the roles that they have. You can invite users to also be in this subscription. And then on the license side of things, you can click on here and see which licenses you have within your hub environment. Being PTV, we have everything, and we have a lot of everything. You may only have a few licenses, but you'll get to see what you have here, what sizes they are, when do the licenses expire, etc. Let me go back one more. Workspaces, as I mentioned, this is kind of like your folder structure. So you can set up these workspace areas here. It's kind of like a tag that you're setting up. For example, I have this UGM demo workspace, and I can give it a label, I can give it a name, a description, and then I have the ability of adding whoever I want in my subscription to also share this workspace with me and have access. So again, it's a way to control and manage the access to your content. And so in our demo today, both Adam Groves and myself, we have access to workspaces. Also, we have the Models app. So you'll see, again, usage of this today. Within the Models app, we list all the models within this particular workspace that I have accessed right now. I can change the workspace and it will open up or list other models. But for example, with this scenario project, I can click on it for VSUM. I can start a calculation of the base network. I can see which versions or revisions I've made throughout the model. I can revert changes of the revision in case one of my colleagues makes a mistake. We can see the scenario management, so all the different scenarios that are set up. We can see if they've been calculated. So these, by saying 100% here, it basically means that the scenarios have been calculated and there's results for the scenarios. There is a KPI indicator. This may not actually be the best example, but you can see for scenarios and you can see different attributes that we've added to compare the results of the different scenarios. You can click on modifications and add modifications also within the hub environment. And if you have any procedures, you can also see the procedures. It's the same thing for VSUM. So in VSUM, again, I can see what the revisions are. I can see the calculations and the KPIs that I have set up. This is probably a better KPI setup for this. All right, and lastly, before I hand it over to Adam Groves, we have the Dashboards app. And within the Dashboards app, it's very similar. We have a list view of all the dashboards. Again, let me just go to this demo area. You can see all the dashboards that we have, who's created the dashboards, who's modified the dashboards, are public links active or not? And then you click on the data tab. These are all the data and things, attributes that are available to be added to dashboards. So that's the quick and dirty behind dashboards. Okay, and that is it.